Hi friends! I'm greeting you, and today I'm going to draw a little smiling meditative Buddha on the tree branch. I'm so sorry for blue color of my tutorial at the end, because when I have been drawing Buddha, outside was getting dark and become blue and calm and relaxing and calm again and relaxing again. And I noticed it when I finished this drawing. I think maybe Buddha wanted this and I gave up. Well, okay. So today I suggest you to listen little story while you will be drawing. Many people have seen a Netsuke of big-headed, good-natured young man with a sack on his back. The Chinese call him the Happy Chinese or the Laughing Buddha. This man named Hotei lived in the 7th century AD. He didn't call himself a Zen master and had no disciples. He simply wandered the streets with a large sack. The bag contained fruit, nuts and sweets, which Hotei handed out to the children who gathered around him. He would set up kindergarten in the streets. Children and adults were delighted with him. Whenever he met a Zen fan, he would always reach out and say, "Give me a coin." One day Hotei was walking around with his merry work. Another Zen master passed by and asked him, "What is the meaning of Zen?" As a mute answer, Hotei immediately threw the bag on the ground. Then what is the realization of the Zen? A second question followed. The Happy Chinese immediately shouldered the sack and cheerfully continued on his way. Many centuries have passed, but even now he is remembered and loved in China, and in Japan there is a statue of Hotei in almost every home. He was enlightened, but he didn't teach anyone anything, just laughed. If someone asked him, "Why are you laughing?" he would laugh even more. People would gather and someone would start laughing too. People would laugh and think, "Why is he laughing? This man is strange." But he laughs very infectiously, even though there is no reason for it. People were waiting for Hotei because in all their lives they had never laughed so totally, so joyfully, so cheerfully. And after that laughter, they found that their senses became clearer, their eyes could see better, their whole being became lighter as if they were shedding some weight. People were asking Hotei, "Come back again." Hotei was unique. He made people laugh for no reason at all, and everyone was satiated with laughter, cleansed and feeling as good as they had never felt before. Something from unknown depth began to ring little bells in human hearts. Well, this is very touchable story, right? If you like this format of my video, tell me about it in comments, please. And I'll do more similar videos. Well, see you in other tutorials and other stories. I wish you good luck and have a nice drawing.